Okay, so this is what the bag looks like off of the chair. Underneath my chair is 13 inches. So what I did was cut everything 14 inches. So this down here was a 14 by 14, 14, 14, 14 by 14 square. And the sides were all cut to 14 as well. And I gave it like a 1/2 inch seam allowance, and it makes it pretty much a 13 inch square. As you can see, this is a 12-inch ruler with, looks like there's a 1/2 inch here and there's a 1/2 inch here, so it measures 13 inches. I've got these like nylon straps, and I sewed it down here. I sewed it here and up the length of it. I did it on all 4 sides and then ran out. This is all I had left, so I sewed it there, which I would have much rather have sewn it all the way down. And since that was the last bit, I had to find something else for the middle here, which is just an old like shopping bag strap that I cut. It's got these snaps on some smaller like nylon, and it's gonna go around the camber bar and it keeps it up in the back. These all have Velcro. These two are the hook or the soft part of the Velcro, and the one in the back is the hook or the grippy part of the Velcro, because my chair, if you can see it, has this grippy part down here in the front, and on the back it's got the soft loop part. Also, I lined it. You don't have to line it, but I thought it would look good in pink since the inside of this outer material is white. I didn't really want white to be under there. This outer material is called PUL, or polyurethane laminate, and it's waterproof. For instance, I keep my night bag under my chair so it stays down here, and if it were to burst or leak or something, all the liquid would stay in the storage. But it's also, in theory, it should protect whatever I put in there from maybe if it's raining or something like that. It shouldn't go through the material, but that's not to say it won't go like around the front or around the back or something. But the material is waterproof. You can find it at Joann's Fabrics. It's about $15 a yard, give or take, and they have coupons on the Joann's app, so you can get it for 40 to 60% off. This thing in the front, I put a snap here and a snap here, and there's a couple extra sizes. For instance, if I want to change my calf strap, but this piece goes around the calf strap, so it holds it up and keeps it in the square, it keeps it squared. Also, this loop has a snap that you can undo, and if you need a place to put your keys or something you need to secure to keep it down here keep it from falling out, you don't have to do it. I just did it because I really would like a more comfy calf strap, and I'm planning on making a pad and a slip cover type thing to go on it, so I've created a couple of different sizes, and then so it can like connect to itself to hold keys or whatever. I can't think of anything else. I would put it on on camera, but I need 2 hands, and I'm recording with my cell phone. I'll try to get you guys the measurements. As for right now, I cut the front 3 by 14. I cut the sides 7.5. They're both 7.5 tall by 14. And then the back is 4 tall by 14. And then this base is 14 by 14. And I gave it a 1/2 inch seam allowance. I finished all the edges in a zigzag stitch before I sewed them all together so that it wasn't fraying or it didn't look too bad. You can see the pink frays really bad, but I still have some threads to cut. But yeah, that's so far that's what I can give you guys on this bag. I'll put it back on and take a short video of it on so you can see that too.